Okay, here's a before and after. This is about 5 to 7 minutes worth of effort to get to the after. Mine's all barnacle, and they've been roasting in this. They've been pretty much out of water for weeks, and they're pretty dried out. So what I find is just taking a board, just a cheap board. You can knock a whole lot of this stuff off really easily. So you just do the outside surface, and then you do the inside surface. I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter which you do first. Here's a piece of 2x4. All right, so there's a lot trapped on the inner surface. And then I take this is just a brush. I mean, it's like a boat brush. I'm just taking it apart. I mean, that gets off 95, 98%, that, which is good enough. You might wrap it a little bit. There's some of these areas I didn't get too well. You can just poke through with glove fingers and it'll just come right off. The worst surface is the one with the rope on it and the bottom, which is kind of a pain. But the method's really the same. It's just a bit more tedious. The old rocket science. Yeah, the worst part is where it's folded and it's double thick, and that's always harder to get the barnacles off of. But you don't have to get every, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just want the holes to be mostly open. The worst surface compared to how it looked a couple minutes ago. So, I mean, I'll probably continue working on this a little bit longer because this one's kind of, I guess it's got some seaweed, algae type stuff on it, which is a little bit more annoying. But that's basically it.